Road close?
Nakalagay?
Nakalagay road close eh. Ewan ko.
Ano ba?
Nakalagay road. Ito mga ka-tribe. Ito yung mga link or yung mga where you can stay, accommodation, eat and drink, pubs, specialties, groceries dito sa Waterton Village. Okay mga ka-tribe, samahan nyo kami sa aming pagtutour. Welcome trail users, campers. Meron ding babala rito. Attention, it's berry season. Bear encounters are likely. Berry buses, border trails, road, and campgrounds. Ito mga ka-tribe, Waterton Lakes National Park, Canada. As you enjoy the park today, we thank local rancher FW Godsall for your experience. He initiated conservation efforts by sending a letter to Ottawa in 1893 recommending that the area be set aside as protected reserve. Protected in 1895, Waterton is Canada's 4th national park. So, see, dito sa Waterton's Camina Valley, in 1902 was Western Canada's first oil well producing saleable quantities of oil. It became a national historic site in 1965. If you travel up to Cameron Lake, stop on your way. Napakaganda ang falls dito mga ka-tribe.
This is the view from this side.
Yeah, this is the view from the right side of these falls. Okay. Ayan, yung water na nanggaling sa falls.
Mukhang napakasarap maligo, mga ka-tribe, ano?
Ang linaw ng tubig, mga ka-tribe. Okay.
Siguro maliligo kami mamaya sa Red Rock Canyon. Okay, so we'll try.
Eto, nandito tayo sa in the middle nitong mga ka-tribe. So, you see the falls.
Makikita ninyo mga ka-tribe, ano? Yan yung lumaragas ng tubig, ano? Mula sa Cameron Lakes, okay? Unfortunately, we could not go there under maintenance yung kalsada, the roadway going to the Cameron Lakes, high up in the mountain and under maintenance. So, anyway, you have seen these waterfalls, these gorgeous waterfalls na napakalakas. Doon kami galing kanina sa baba. Doon kami nakaparada sa baba. And ito sila, ano, nandito siya. Batiin mo sila.
Hello mga ka-tribe! Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Enjoy watching our video habang pinapakita namin ang kagandahan ng Alberta Parks. God bless us all!
Alright, so
Let's go
bababa na
down.
tayo mga ka-tribes. Okay. But I might shoot some areas ng kabundukan doon. Makikita niyo yung kabundukan doon sa side na yun. Ganda. And that is the Waterton Lake over there, na kung saan may mga cruise boat, no? Alright, so ito yung dinaanan ko kanina. Ito ay paikot-ikot lang ng pagkakamanda. Tumanda na sila ba?
Hello mga ka-tribe! Nandito kami ngayon sa loob ng Waterton Village, sa tabi ng lake, para mananghalian kami. Bili na lang kami ng pagkain sa Walmart. And we want to thank God for His continuous guidance to us. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil nakita na naman namin itong lugar na ito na napakaganda. Very relaxing. So, come and join us!
Alright. Yes guys, ano, ito makikita ninyo na napakaganda nitong harap namin, ano. We are here in Waterton Lakes. Nandito kami sa gilid, ano. So I'll pan the camera, makikita ninyo. Yan. So maraming mga taong namamasyal dito, yung iba ay naliligo actually, ano. At ito nga, dito kami nakaupo. Ito sa under a tree. Okay? Para may lilim kami. So makikita nyo may mga nagkakayak doon. Okay? And then may mga batang naliligo.
Shout out to my sister Aurora in Abu Al-Ain.
Okay.
Manong Greg, Ian, Greya, Queen, Princess, and Amora. Yung aming mga subscribers. Ang aming mga anak, si Brian, si Risa, si Maddie, si Candice, si Peter, si Gabi, si Michelle, si Danny Boy. Next summer, you come and join us para makita natin itong lugar na ito. May pasyal namin kayo sa lugar na ito.
Yes guys, ano, hindi na namin maisa-isa ang aming mga isa-shout out, pasasalamatan. Kasi nga 65 yan at hindi pa namin alam kung sino-sino yung mga nag-subscribe. Even though may mga personal na namang nag-subscribe and they let us know na nag-subscribe sila. So yeah, let us know kung nag-subscribe kayo dahil we are new to this YouTube channel at hindi pa namin ganong kabisado ang in and out, ano? And purihin ng Panginoon dahil kahit papaano may mga subscriber na. So yeah, thank you sa mga subscriber, ano? At gaya ng mga pamangkin ko, mga apo ko, kay Clarice, ano? Sa mga kaibigan namin, sa mga anak nila, kay Kisha sa Sharjah, no? Storke, pastor ang kanyang, si Pastor Jong, ano? Saka si Sister Yola. And who else, you know?
Mila from Sharjah, lahat ng mga kaibigan namin
Si
at
Chef,
kasama namin sa
Chef Francis, ano? Francis, no? Marami pa ang mga hindi pa namin alam kasi, ano, at we are new, ano, so sa ganitong pag vlog, so bear with us, but sa mga darating na panahon isa-shout out namin kayo, lalo na yung mga magko-comment, ano, para malaman namin, ano, kung sino-sino. So especially yung mga may kababayan dito sa Alberta, okay, put your comment there and we'll shout out your name, pati yung relatives ninyo. Okay, so let's eat. So yeah guys, oh, may mga birds, no, flying high up in the air. Yeah, yan, oh. Look at that, eh? That's a bird. Kuha na lang natin. Yeah guys, oh, look at that, eh? I don't know if that is part of the cruise going to the south of the border because that seems like too small, ano? Kasi malaki yung kan. Maybe because hindi naman sigurong marami pa ang mga sumasakay, ano? Kaya yan. But that came from that side, doon sa side na yon. Yeah, doon sa US side. So probably that's already part of the cruise. Pero yung sinakyan namin noon ay malaki, no? Napakalaki niya. Ito malit lang ito. Okay yan, no? So yeah guys. Ayun, may isa pa ron. Yeah. So there are two of them. So dalawang maliliit, ano? Yung sinakyan kasi namin noon malaki. Or similar to that. Kasi yung sinakyan natin noon parang 200 yata ang capacity niya. Ayan, wala namang 200 yan. I don't know because that's from a distance. So guys, makikita ninyo, no, yung mga rocks formation doon, ano? If I will zoom, I might zoom, ano? Yun. Yeah. I'll zoom. Okay, you see the track formation over there? Oh, mahirap dahil nakazoom na yan. There. Layer ng mga kwan yan, sedimentation na compact, tumigas na lang over thousands of years, So talagang nagkaroon talaga ng malaking tawag dito, flooding, during the time of Noah, biblical times. Alright. So, yeah. So this is popular, guys, sa mga hiker, itong lugar na to. Okay. That's the US side, Yeah. South yan, Ang north nandito sa kaliwa namin, here. Yeah. So guys, this is the sightseeing cruises on beautiful Waterton Lake dito, So daily departures 10 a.m. okay, and 12 to 4, okay, and they have the popular sunset cruise also at 7 p.m. okay. Yeah, so yes, that's the Waterton shoreline cruise, okay. And on the other side you could see the beautiful Prince of Wales Hotel. So here is the shoreline cruises tickets. I don't know how much is the cost of cruise. Yeah, let's see. Per person of all ages, $28. Oh, not so much. Yeah. Okay, now that is Waterton Shoreline Cruise. But this one is Cruise Waterton Lake, Canada into Montana. Alberta residence, $45. If you're not a resident, $55. That's for adults. And $25 for Alberta residents for child. And $27 for if you're not a resident of Alberta. Alright, so Noah's room at the marina. Yeah, that's the shuttle schedule. Creep Lake hike. Oh, that's hike, okay. Alright, so the next trip over there, as you could see, that's let me zoom a little bit. 2 p.m. Yeah. Okay. 2 p.m. Okay. A lot of people are waiting for the cruise. Yeah. We've been there before. So yeah, we'll not do it again this time. Hopefully next time, if there are some people, who would like to go there, some friends who would visit us. Okay. So a lot of yacht in here. Look at that. Yeah. See, here is the park, International Waterton Glacier International Peace Park. All right. So you could see Canadian and American flag over here. A meeting place for nature. Okay. So I need to go back now.